All right, so we're gonna try the iSqueeze. I gotta plug this thing in. Ready to go, now we can use it. And now we're gonna give it a shot and see what we think. All right, so we gotta take off our shoes, okay? And then you're gonna get your feet right in there like that, okay? Now to start it, you can press any one of these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this one. There it goes. Now if I want vibration, I press this. Ooh, it's vibrating. It's on auto right now. And it is squeezing. I mean, it's getting it good. Wow. So if you want to stop it, you can press it at any time and it'll stop. If you get scared, because it really is squeezing good. Let's stop it for a second. Okay, so anyway, you'd think that's an on button, but if you look, it's just always lit up. So you can press any one of these. If I want it to vibrate, I press this. It just vibrates. So you could just have vibration. But now if you want to squeeze, it's got 3 different things. 1, 2, and 3. So I press the first one, I'm going to go to the first level, and you'll be able to see what it does. You want to make sure your feet are in there, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and go. Now you may get scared as it starts to squeeze. See how it's squeezing? I mean, it's got some pressure on it. Feels pretty good, I gotta say. And it's kind of rolling too, it's moving. And it's going underneath your foot too. See how it comes out here? Squeezing up here also. So I'm getting pretty good. Oh yeah, it does the whole foot. I mean, it's squeezing all around my whole foot and on the bottom. It actually feels like really sharp on the bottom. You can see my toe getting squished in there. So that's setting number 1, which is kind of slow. So let's go to setting number 2. See how this is squeezing here? So it does, and it squeezes almost a little bit of your calf and your soleus in here. Let's go to number 2. We're going to go to number 2. You see how now it's kicking in. It's going a little bit faster. You follow me? Yeah, you can see. And then it stops, and then it does. So it's a different pattern that you get with each one of these. Like it's like squishing it. You can see how it stops here and kind of holds it for a little while. And then it kicks in again. So this is squeezing here, it's squeezing there, and it's in waves. It's moving in waves. Let's try 3. Okay, now we're in 3. Let's see what it does. Now it's just going faster and faster. Now if you want, you can just go to straight to high, or you could go to low, or you could just leave it on auto. Right now it's clicking, see it's going from low to high. It's going back and forth. But if you want to just do high, you just hit that, and then it goes right to high. Wow, it really works and good. I mean, it's a borderline like painful. But I gotta say, I like it. I think it's definitely worth it. And these you can unzip them and wash them, which is cool. Oh, it's definitely like, it pushes hard on you, man. It might scare you when you first get in here and try to do it. So to stop it, all I do is hit that, and then it just stops. And then you get your feet out. And that's it. So this is a closer view for you. So here's, like if I click this, it's going to go to 1. See how the 1 lit up? If I click this, it's going to go to auto first. So we got just auto. If I click it again, it's going to go to 2. And then if I click this, it'll just go to high. So if you just want straight up high vibration, you want to do that. If you want low vibration, you go there. If you want no vibration, you go like that. But I'm going to put it on auto. And then if I want to go to number 3, I just go bam. And there we go, Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.